एक बार रिकॉल कर लेते हैं चारों मेथड्स. फर्स्ट वन वाज डायरेक्ट सब्स्टिट्यूशन, सेकंड वन वाज substitution after simplification, third one was direct formulae, and the last one was one-sided limits. If the form is not 0 upon 0, we directly put up the limit. If the form is 0 upon 0, we simplify and then we put up the limit, or we directly use a formulae, or if the question is related to existence of a limit or multiple definition, then we make the use of one-sided limits. Right now, if we put up the value of x as 2, this will take the form 0 upon 0. So we'll have to simplify this first. X common, x square minus 4x plus 4, and whole upon x minus 2, x plus 2. So this will be limit x tends to 2, x as it is. This will be x minus 2 of whole square, whole upon x minus 2 into x plus 2. Now this cancelled. So we are left with limit x tends to 2, x into x minus 2, whole upon x plus 2. Although in place of x, if we write 2, this is becoming 0. But this is not becoming 0 upon 0. So still we can put up the value of the limit. So this will be 2 into 0 upon 4. Which is followed. Do it now. So what we have done is we have taken minus sign common. This becomes x square minus 1. So this is x minus 1, x plus 1. So now limit x tends to 1, x minus 1, x plus 1. And this will be just x plus 1 minus 2. Is it clear? Is this step clear? Simple LCM. This is limit x tends to 1, x minus 1 upon x minus 1, x plus 1. X minus 1 cancelled. In place of x, we can write 1. So this will be 1 upon 1 plus 1. Answer is 1. Followed. You need to identify the problem. और जो भी problematic term हो, we try to cancel that. तो ये this is the basic formula that we use in limits. जैसे यहाँ पर in place of x, if we write 2, then it is becoming 0. Then it is taking the form 0 upon 0, right? In place of x, if we are writing 2, then it is becoming 0. Now try to relate it to the term, to the concept that you have done in 10th, remainder and factor theorem. In place of x, when we are writing 2, this is becoming 0. So can we say that x minus 2 is a factor of this expression as well as this expression? Right? Because in place of x, when we are writing 2, it's becoming 0. So x minus 2 will be a factor. So what we need to do is we need to cancel that common factor. यहाँ तो easy था इसको factorize करना, x minus 2, x plus 2. For a cubic equation, we can use the long division method. Plus 3x squared minus 9x minus 2. Directly divide this by x minus 2. So this is x squared, x cubed minus 2x squared. Cancelled. 5x squared minus 9x minus 2. Plus 5x. So this will be 5x squared minus 10x minus plus. These two cancelled. X minus 2. So plus 1. We know that dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Remainder is already 0. So can we directly write it as x minus 2, x squared plus 5x plus 1? So clear? Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Remainder is already 0. Problematic term cancelled. Now put up the value of the limit. So this will be 2 plus 2 upon 2 square plus 5 into 2 plus 1. क्या हो गया? क्या कह रहे हो? This is 50. Clear? समझ आ रहा है आपको क्या? आप दोनों ही हंस रहे हो ना, कर लो बात जाकर उससे। तविशी टैलेंट है यहाँ पे। डॉक्टर डू लिटिल था ना वो, who can talk to everyone, who could talk to everyone. सबकी समझ लेते हो आप। हाँ जी बेटे। x टेंडिंग टू 2 है, कोई समझा, ये x टेंडिंग टू 2 था, that means in place of x we would be putting 2, तो x equal to 2, अब x equal to 2 अगर है तो अब इधर शिफ्ट करेंगे तो that will become x minus 2, that is why we are dividing it by x। थोड़ा सा पेशेंस सुनना चाहिए, समझना चाहिए, राइट अभिषेक, सबकी बात। हाँ जी बेटे, सबकी बात समझनी चाहिए, इट्स गुड टू बी अंडरस्टैंडिंग। डन।
Say your mic is on mute.
This is limit x tends to 1 to x minus 3 into root x minus 1 x square plus x minus 2. Now x tends to 1 to x minus 3 root x minus 1. This can be factorized, splitting the middle term. This will be x plus 2 and x minus 1. Is this much clear? Now there are two ways of doing this. Listen to this carefully. First way is that we imagine this x minus 1 as root x of whole square minus 1 of whole square, so that we can use the formula for a square minus b square. अगर हमें यहाँ पर forcefully a square minus b square का formula use करना हो, we can write this as 2x minus 3 root x minus 1 x plus 2 root x minus 1 root x plus 1. Have you followed this? कुछ लोगों को नहीं आया. यहां तक क्लियर है? यहां तक तो क्लियर. Whenever there is root and the negative sign in between, what do we do? Rationalize. So this can be written as root x plus 1 and root x plus 1. So this is x plus 2 x minus 1 a minus b a plus b a square minus b square, and then into root x plus 1. Followed. Now x minus 1 cancelled. Problematic term removed. The form is no longer 0 upon 0. So this will be 2 minus 3, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 1. So minus 1 upon 6. Is it clear now? For questions like this, we know that for square root with the negative sign in between, the best way is, so a plus x plus root a plus x plus root. So this will be limit x tends to 0, x a square plus ax into root a plus x plus root a whole upon a plus x minus a. This a and this a cancelled. देखो सब कुछ एक ही स्टेप में कैंसिल नहीं कर देना, that will be meaningless. So x root a square plus ax into root a plus x plus root a and whole upon x. This x and this x cancelled. In place of x, now we will write 0. So this will be root a square into root a plus root a. This will be a into 2 root a. A root a ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, and we can even write it as a raised to the power 3 by 2. Why a raised to the power 3 by 2? Power 1, power half, multiplication में powers add होती हैं, 1 plus half, 1 and a half. Clear Nandini? Mistake मिली अपनी? Where did you go wrong? Okay. So whenever there is root, always go for rationalization. Then 22nd also?
Yes, sir.
23rd. 21st also. The only change in this question is that in the numerator also we got square root, denominator also, अब दोनों में negative sign है. So we'll have to rationalize both, that is numerator as well as denominator. Now to rationalize the denominator, it will be 9 plus x plus 4 whole over 9 plus x plus 4. Then to rationalize this, root of 8 minus x plus 1, root of 8 minus x plus 2. Is this clear? So this is limit x tends to 7, 8 minus x minus 1. See, we've multiplied these two. Middle wala part, wo as it is. And here we'll multiply these two. So this will be 9 plus x minus 16. Right? Now whatever is left, that we will write separately. Limit is a highly distributive function. You need to pay attention for this. Limit is a highly distributive function, that is in between, चाहे प्लस साइन हो, माइनस हो, मल्टीप्लाई हो, डिवाइड हो, आप लिमिट को अलग अलग कर सकते हो. डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव, दैट इज यू कैन लिटरली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट द लिमिट. सो व्हाट वी हैव डन इज इनको सेपरेट किया, Now we are left with these two terms, तो इसके लिए हमने लिमिट सेपरेटली लिख दी. Root of 9 plus x plus 4 whole upon 8 minus x plus 1. Clear this thing? Now this will be limit x tends to 7. This will be 7 minus x. And this is x minus 7. यहाँ पर फॉर्म 0/0 नहीं है, तो हम डायरेक्टली लिमिट पुट अप कर सकते हैं. So this will be 9 plus 7 plus 4, 8 minus 7 plus 1. We can take minus sign common. This will also be x minus 7, x minus 7. Into this will be root 16, that is 4. This will be root 1, that is 1. These two cancelled, so this will be minus 8 upon 2, minus 4. Followed? How many of you have done it exactly this way? Exactly this way. आपने किसी और वे से किया? Limit x tending to a, xn minus an upon x minus a is n a raised to the power n minus 1. And limit x tending to a, x to the power n, a to the power n, x to the power m, a to the power m is n upon m, a raised to the power n minus. ध्यान इतना रखना है that न्यूमरेटर में जो भी टर्म्स है विद पावर, डिनोमिनेटर में सेम टर्म्स, एक्जेक्टली सेम टर्म्स विदाउट पावर. यहाँ पे टर्म्स सेम होगी बट पावर डिफरेंट होगी. Limit x tends to 0, x plus 1 to the power 5 minus 1 whole upon x. You should watch out for the manipulation in this question, the way we transform the complete presentation of this question. Limit x tends to 0, x plus 1 to the power 5. This one can be written as 1 raised to the power 5. With this x, we can write plus 1 and minus 1. What's the logic? Who is going to tell this complete thing to us? To convert it to that form. Now see, it is in the form xn minus an upon x minus a. So straight away, nan minus 1. So what's the value of n here? What's the value of a? 1. To the power 5 minus 1, 5 into 1. I hope it's clear. अब आगे जितने क्वेश्चंस आएंगे, even in the next exercise also, this manipulation, this transformation we need to learn. Look for this. Is this transformation clear? See, it should be xn minus an upon x minus a. So we need to do the reciprocal of this. So because there, we can assume it to be 1 into, हमें इसका reciprocal करना है. So in place of multiplication, we have put up division, and we have done the reciprocal of it. 8 can be written as 4 raised to the power 3 by 2. The logic for writing it in this form is so that it is xn minus an upon x minus a. So now this will be 1 divided by 3 upon 2, 4 raised to the power 3 upon 2 minus 1. 1 divided by 3 upon 2 into 4 raised to the power 1 by 2. Square root of 4 will be 2. This 2 and this 2 cancelled. 1 upon 3. I hope those who have done it this way only. That's correct. We need to identify the basic problem in limits. The problem is if the form is 0 upon 0. Like over here in place of x, if we write 1, 1 plus 1, 2 minus 2, 0, 1 plus 2, 3 minus 3, 0. The form is 0 upon 0. Now form is 0 upon 0 because of the value 1. That means x minus 1 should be the factor of both numerator as well as denominator. So we need to cancel this common factor. In order to cancel this common factor, we need to factorize both numerator and denominator. So x to the power 7 minus 2x to the power 5 plus 1. We need to divide it by x minus 1. So this will be x to the power 6, x to the power 7 minus x to the power 6. Cancel. X to the power 5, so x to the power 6 minus x to the power 5 minus plus these two cancelled. So minus x to the power 5 plus 1. So now this will be minus x to the power 4. So minus x to the power 5 and plus x to the power 4. Now we need minus x cube. So this will be minus x to the power 4 and plus x cube. Minus x cube plus 1. So now we need minus x square. So this will be minus x cube and plus x square. Cancel. Minus x square plus 1. We need minus x. So this is minus x square and plus x. Cancelled. Minus x plus 1. Now we need minus 1. So this will be minus x plus 1. Cancelled. So this